Hello and welcome to another video. This just arrived, but I forgot I'd ordered it. It was really late, or should I say really early one morning, and I'd been out and had one or two very small, large adult beverages, and then got on eBay, which is always a nightmare, isn't it? You end up ordering stuff you don't really want. But all I remember about it was a Minidisc player that I'd never seen. I'd never seen from a manufacturer that made that Minidisc player before. I didn't know that. It's a weird colour, isn't it? I didn't know that manufacturer. I'd never heard of a Minidisc player from that manufacturer, so I thought I'd get it. But it was really cheap. I don't remember much. I don't remember how much it was. I might put it up on the screen. Quite chunky. It's well wrapped. I must stop doing eBay in the middle of the night when I can't sleep. That's a weird colour, isn't it? What the heck is this? What? Polly Pocket Minidisc player. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my god, what have I ordered? Oh no. Well, happy April Fool's Day. It's actually the 12th of September last year as it was. I'm going to save this and upload it for April the 1st, 2024. But yeah, I did see this, and it was listed under Minidiscs on eBay, and I thought it'd be quite fun to have. I think I paid 99 pence plus a bit of postage on it. I don't know how it works, but it must be mechanical because it's got a battery thing on the back. So let me get my screwdriver out. I suppose it might actually have juice left in it. I don't know much about girls' toys. Oh god, well, it spins round. I've no idea really. I just ordered it and thought it'd be a bit of fun. Oh, there's an on-off button. So, an on-off button. No idea whether there's any batteries. There's batteries go in it. Let's take it. Let's get this out and have a look at it. There's a speaker grill on the bottom, so I assume it does something. Oh, that's not a good sign. Let me get some batteries. Okay, so here we go. I'll bother putting it back on because it's not something I'll be playing with. Right, we've got an on-off button, haven't we? There we go. I don't know what it does. I don't know how it works. Yeah, that spins around. It's got batteries in it. Maybe the heads need cleaning. I have no idea how this works. Right, let me see if I can figure it out. It might be broken. Right, I'll carry on recording even though you might not see this bit because I don't know. It's the discovery of this Minidisc hobby, isn't it, that makes it interesting. But this looks like... Oh! Oh, right, that's how it works. I don't know what I've done now. Can't press that bit though without the lid open. I'll turn it off. You have to turn it off. Right, let's close it up again. Turn it on. You press this and it makes some smoke. But it looks to me like there's a hinge here. What's this? Let's just lift up. Oh, it's got more than one song in it. It's more than one track. I have no idea what I'm doing here. There's a hinge here. It looks like it might lift up, unless that's just where it's just where it's been made. Ooh, something fell down there. Look. You know, I've got a feeling this lifts up. Oh, track number 3. Hope this won't get the copyright strike. That's got to lift up somehow, hasn't it? Are these stairs? Oh, I wonder what that's for there. Like a little rubber thing. Oh. Let me figure it out off camera. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. This is a little rubber belt, a little band. I hope we don't have to change that. And then as I move it, it looks like it's trying to lift that part up. But then it doesn't, so I wonder what's stuck here. Yeah, I'll be back when I figured it out. Clearly, you don't have to watch the rest of this. It's not mini-disc related at all, but there's some gears inside here that move all this around. Oh, that doesn't sound right either. Yeah, I'm too old for this. All it is it just spins the mini-disc out of the way and opens the player up. Well, I don't know what to say. I mean, you've got a duck that moves. Yeah. That's enough of that nonsense. See you in the next video. Yeah, I think it needs a new belt.